Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make a YouTube banner, so let's jump right into it. First you want to go on Safari and search up YouTube banner templates. Then you want to click either those two on the top, doesn't really matter, just one is darker than the other, and you want to save them. Next is go to the Phonto app. Then you want to click on that little small camera in the middle. Then you want to click on plain images. Then you want to click on the first white image. Then you're going to click on the numbers up top, the 2048 times 2048. Then you want to click customize. Then you want to change the numbers to 2560 and the bottom number to 1440. Then you want to click use and save, or just save. Now you want to reset and do the same thing, but instead of the 2560 1440, it's going to be 2560 423. Hopefully I'm not going too fast for y'all. And after that, it should look like this, nicely skinny. Then you want to click use and save. You want to go on Safari and look up any background pictures that you like. As you can see here, I'm having trouble spelling purple, but I chose to be a little plain and basic because I wasn't trying to be all extreme. But you know, don't be like me, be plain and basic, you know, expand your horizon. After you're done, saved your wallpaper, you want to go back on the Phonto app. That same scaling line, you want to add images. And you want to use the background picture that you typed in Safari. And you want to match the size of the small scaling line with the background picture. Like trying to fit it in, like, you know, adjust it and all that stuff. It doesn't have to be perfect unless you guys want it to be perfect. But for this tutorial, it's not going to be that perfect. I didn't go too fast for you guys, and hopefully you guys are not confused, and hopefully you guys are not frustrated, because this can get really frustrating when you're trying to be perfect and kind of confusing sometimes. So if I did confuse you or whatever, just comment down below and I could just help you guys, you know, mix it back up. After you're done adjusting it, you want to go ahead and save it. And you want to go ahead and click reset. Next you want to click photo albums, and you want to click on that first plain image that we made at first, and then you want to add images, and then you want to click on the YouTube banner template, and you want to make it big enough to the point where it fits the whole paper. Don't make it bigger than it is, or make it smaller than it is, make it just right. After you've done that, you want to add images and get your background, the little skinny one, and you want to make it fit in that little skinny line. Like I said, don't make it too big, don't make it too small, make it just right. After you're done that, you're going to go ahead and click the background and you're going to remove it. Then you're going to just save the image. Next you're going to reset. Then you want to go back to your photo albums and click on the one that we just made. Now you can change it different colors. I'm just going to put it back to the regular color. After you've done that, you can start putting down your text. I'm just going to put my YouTube channel name. Next, you want to add images, but for me, I'm just gonna get an image from Safari because I don't feel like using my face right now. After I chose my image, I just went ahead and saved it. Next, I went to the eraser app so I can basically take off the background because we don't need all that. Next, you just want to start erasing the background. Oh wait, I could just erase the target area. Duh. Boom. Finished. Now save the image. Next, you want to go back on the Phonto app and click add images. And then you just want to just throw it in your banner. Mine's just plain and simple. I don't want to go all too extra, but this is just for the sake of this tutorial. But it's coming out good. Looking cute. It's looking cute. Okay. About to change my little banner. And I'm about to do the same thing on the other side. Y'all, when I tell you, this wasn't even planned. It looks so good. Next, all I'm doing is putting a stroke on my text so it can pop out more. And I'm pretty much done, you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, and hopefully this video helped y'all.